Two agreements for the sale of MS-21, written as MC-21 in Russian, aircraft were inked during the Eastern Economic Forum 2024. The initial agreement, a letter of intent, was signed between PJSC Yakovlev and Smartavia Airlines. According to the document, Smartavia plans to receive 45 MS-21 aircraft by 2035. Yakovlev CEO Andrei Boginsky said the agreement confirms the growing demand for domestic aircraft and emphasizes the strategic necessity of developing the Russian aviation industry. Smartavia intends to deploy the MS-21 to replace its current foreign aircraft. By signing the agreement, we have expanded the pool of future operators of the domestic airliner and once again confirmed the demand for our machines beyond 2030, said Andrei Boginsky after the signing. The agreement will be implemented by attracting a leasing business that will purchase the aircraft and then transfer it to Smartavia on a financial lease. The second deal was reached between PJSC Yakovlev and Aurora Airlines. According to this paper, Aurora will get 5 MS-21 and 2 SJ-100 aircraft until 2035. This order is in addition to an earlier order for 8 SJ-100 aircraft and a letter of intent to deliver 10 MS-21 aircraft. These aircraft will be transferred under the Russian Federation's current comprehensive program for the development of the aviation industry, which runs until 2030. Despite the complexity and comprehensiveness of the task of launching serial production of our aircraft in the import-substituted form, we continue to work on the formation of the order portfolio, which already now goes far beyond 2030, emphasized Andrei Boginsky. According to him, establishing long-term partnerships with Russian air carriers will enable PJSC Yakovlev to plan loading, facility development, infrastructure, and human resources for both the MS-21 and SJ-100 programs. Agreements of intent can only be converted into firm contracts with the leasing company after the import-substituted MC-21 airplane is certified and begins operation. Previously, such agreements were reached. The company has agreements with Izavia to deliver 8 MC-21s by the end of 2032, Aeroflot to deliver 210 MS-21s by 2030, Yakutia to deliver 5 aircraft in 2019, Kazakhstan's Bek Air to deliver 10 airliners in 2019, Saratov Airlines to deliver 6 MS-21 aircraft in 2022, 2025, Red Wings to deliver 16 aircraft in 2019, 2022, and Vimavia to deliver 15 aircraft. In addition, in one form or another, agreements were reached with Tanzania, Egypt, Azerbaijan, and Peru. On June 8, 2016, the first MC-21 300 prototype aircraft, 7351, was rolled out, and an agreement of intent was signed with Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan Airlines and leasing business Ilyushin Finance signed a preliminary lease deal for 10 MC-21 300 airliners. The aircraft, with a 159-seat configuration, including 20 in business class, was scheduled to enter the airline's fleet in 2019. 2020, the letters of intent do not guarantee a firm contract for the aircraft's delivery, but they are intended to understand the demand for the airliner and allow the manufacturer to plan for years ahead for the expansion and modernization of production and plant use, as well as to negotiate with suppliers on the required quantity of components, units, aircraft systems, engines, and the formation of a spare parts pool. Now, do you think Yakovlev can keep MS-21 delivery dates? Let us know in the comments. Don't miss out on the latest aerospace insights. Hit that like and subscribe button for more amazing content. Please also take a look into our memberships to support us.